Say welcome home, Roscoe. Welcome home. All right, you want to smell around? Come on. Come on, big guy. Want a drink? Smell? All right, we'll come outside. Come on. Does you have to go potty? Look at there. Look at there, Roscoe. You're home. Look at there. Oh, there's Henry Minry. Looky there. Opa, it's new brother. It's new brother. Looky there. New brother. Say, come on out, Roscoe. So Opa, he can't get to you because his cartwheels won't let him. There you go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, we peed right on the step. That's okay. So that's all right. We got to mark a little territory.